What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Giving my fishes their breakfast this morning. My blood parrots. Check out Titan. Titan's getting his breakfast right now. He loves that stuff. But these guys just absolutely go crazy for it. Look at them. They love it. Sonny's getting his breakfast. Like the little guys are up there. Look at the little guys. Look at that guy. Little jelly bean. It's Titan getting some more. These guys are great. When I first had them, they weren't like this. They would be very skittish, but now, as soon as I put the food in, they're right at the top. They're very used to me. So it takes about a week, I would say, for them to get really comfortable. And then you could really start to enjoy the fish. Just a beautiful fish. Hanging out in that 220-gallon aquarium. Just chilling. Look at him. Everybody's looking good. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. Just wanted to show you guys them eating their breakfast, their first meal of the day. I will be uploading another video later of Bubbles, me medicating Bubbles. Okay. And I might give Titan a treat today. I might show a video of Titan. Matter of fact, I will.
What?
I'll show him. I'll give him a treat today. Maybe some like little maggots or something. I'm gonna back up. Take a full look at the 220. You guys have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Later.